So here is how you can copy stuff from the iPhone to the iPad. Let's explain that. First of all, if you use the same Apple account on both devices, I'd recommend you to just tap on your profile within the settings and essentially go to the iCloud section and set up some iCloud sharing. It is useful for photos. A lot of people use it there, but the storage might be full very quickly. But some smaller things like notes or reminders or these like random files, I like to keep it synced and turn on between my iPhone and iPad, so every note or every reminder I set on each device will appear on the other. That's how I like to copy things from the iPhone to the iPad. When it comes to some specific files, you can always use AirDrop. This is always going to be the good option, right? No matter if you are trying to copy or send photos or some text or something, you can always just click on a share, tap on AirDrop, and your other device like the iPad should appear there, and you can quickly copy things from the iPhone to the iPad using AirDrop. As I say, it applies to files, notes, documents, photos. Essentially, all file types can be copied from the iPhone to the iPad over AirDrop. But you can still use another approach, which is a different cloud service like Google Drive, for example. That works as well. But still, the physical option is available. If you have a SD card or USB stick, SSD drive, whatever that might be, as long as you figure out the connection, you can connect it to the iPhone, copy the files to that folder right there, then connect the very same USB or the external drive to the iPad and paste the files from there to the local storage of the iPad. So obviously this is going to work as well. So let me know below in the comments which version or option you like to use the most. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end, and I'll catch you later.